Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In today's class, we will see some practice questions based on differential equations. We will start from question number 1 and we will discuss till question number 6. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Let's start with question number 1, which says the order of the differential equation whose general solution is given by y is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 plus c3 e to the power x plus c4 sine x plus c5 is. So we have to basically find the order of this differential equation. So the order of this, the hint of this question is the order of the differential equation is basically the number of arbitrary constants. The number of arbitrary constants. Constant should be arbitrary, right? Not like that. Such that suppose we have a constant c. C can be written as c1 plus c2 plus c3. Then that c1 plus c2 plus c3 will not be considered as three constant, right? That will be considered as only one arbitrary constant, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question and try to find the order of the given differential equation. Okay. So you have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. As it is given, y is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 plus c3 e to the power x plus c4 plus c4 sine x plus c5. Now see, c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 can be broken as c1 into e to the power c2 into e to the power 2x plus c3 e to the power x plus c4. Now sine x plus c5 is basically sin x cos c5 plus cos x sin c5. Therefore, see, c1 into e to the power c2 is basically taken as one constant. c1 into e to the power c2 is basically taken as one constant. Therefore, it is a into e to the power e to the power 2x plus c3 e to the power x plus. Now see, c4 and cos c5 is basically one constant, which is assumed to be as b. Right. Therefore, b sin x plus now c4 into sin c5 is basically one constant, which is d. Right. So the equation, given the above given equation can be simplified as y is equal to a e to the power 2x plus c3 e to the power x plus b sin x plus d cos x. Right. Here a is equal to c1 e to the power c2, b is equal to c4 cos c5, and d is equal to c4 sin c5, right? D is equal to c4 sin c5. Since the equation consists of four arbitrary constants, that is a, c3, b and d. So the order of differential equation will be 4. Order is 4, right? Therefore, option B is the right choice. Option B is the right choice. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. The degree of differential equation d square y upon dx square plus 3 dy by dx whole square is equal to x square x square log d square y upon dx square. So the hint of this question is the degree of differential equation is basically highest power of the highest order derivative term, and all the derivative terms should not be any power or any fraction, right? Clear? Should not be any power or any fraction. That means it should be in a polynomial form, right? It should be in a polynomial form, right? Algebraic form. So in this way, you can easily observe that the degree of this equation will be what, right? So we have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. C. The degree of differential equation is basically defined only if the equation can be expressed as a polynomial in terms of the highest order derivative, right? Now for the given differential equation, d square y upon dx square plus 3 times dy by dx whole square is equal to x square log d square y dx square. The presence of logarithmic function log d square y upon dx square means the equation involves a transcendental function, right? Equation involves a transcendental function of the highest derivative. Clear? In this form, the equation cannot be expressed as a polynomial in terms of d square y by dx square because of the term log d square y by dx square, right? Therefore, the degree of this differential equation will not be defined, right? Degree is not defined. Clear? Therefore, option D is the right choice. None of these, right? Option D is the right choice. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Question number 3, which says the order and degree of the differential equation representing the family of curve y square is equal to 2c into x plus root c, where c is a positive parameter where c is a positive parameter are respectively is equal to. That is, we have to basically find what is order and degree of this order and degree of the differential equation found by the family of curves given by this equation, right? Okay, so the hint of this question is for the order, you can find the number of arbitrary constant, right? And for the degree, you'll try to differentiate this throughout, right? And try to form a differential equation. And after that, you will get the order and degree easily. Okay. So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, as given, we have equation y square is equal to 2c x plus root c, right? Equation 1. Now on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2y dy by dx, 2y dy by dx is equal to 2c, right? Is equal to 2c. This implies c is equal to y dy by dx, right? C is equal to y dy by dx. Now on putting the value of c in equation 1, we got y square into 2xy dy by dx plus 2y to the power 3 by 2 into dy by dx to the power 3 by 2. Therefore, it is equal to 8y cube dy by dx whole cube is equal to y square minus 2xy dy by dx whole square, right? Which is basically the differential equation of order 1 and degree 3, right? Order is 1 and degree is 3. You can observe from here, right? Order is 1 and degree is 3. Got it? Right. Therefore, option A is the right choice. Order is 1 and degree is 3. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 4, which says the differential equation of all the circles in the first quadrant which touch the coordinate axis is of order. Okay. So the hint of this question is we are given a statement in which we have to basically form a differential equation of all the circles which is in first quadrant and which is basically touch the coordinate axis. Clear? So we will try to form first we will try to write the equation with respect to the given statement. After that, we will try to differentiate it to get the differential equation. After that, we can easily find the order of that differential equation, right? Okay. So you have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. Clearly, the equation of family of circle with which touch both the coordinate axis is basically x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to a square, where a is a parameter, right? This is the equation of circle having center at a and radius is a. Since there is only one parameter, that is a, right? There is only one parameter. Therefore, the order of the differential equation representing this family of curve is basically 1. Clear? Right. So order of this differential equation is basically 1. Right. Therefore, option A is the right choice. Option A is the right choice. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. The differential equation of the family of curve V is equal to A by R plus B, where A and B are arbitrary constant is. So we basically have to find the differential equation of the family of curves. V is equal to A by R plus B, where A and B are arbitrary constants is basically. So The hint of this question is we have a given equation in V and R, right? V and R. We will try to differentiate both sides. Since we have two arbitrary constants. Therefore, we will have to differentiate twice to get the differential equation, right? Right. So the differential equation we will get of the order 2. Right. So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the solution part. See, we have a differential equation V is equal to A by R plus B, where A and B are parameters. Now, on differentiating twice with respect to R, we get dv by dr is equal to minus of a upon r square, right? Dv by dr is equal to minus of a upon r square, and when we will differentiate again with respect to r, we will get d square v upon dr square is equal to 2a upon r cube. Now, on substituting the value of a from equation 1 in equation 2, we get, so from equation 1 we will try to substitute the value of a, and after substituting we will get d square v upon dr square is equal to 2 upon r cube into minus r square dv by dr is equal to minus 2 upon r dv by dr, which is equal to d square v upon dr square plus 2 by r, d square v upon dr square plus 2 by r dv by dr is equal to 0, right? Which is the required differential equation. Okay. Therefore, option C should be the right choice, right? Option C is the right choice. Got it? Clear? Option C, d square v upon dr square plus 2 upon r dv by dr is the right choice. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 6, which says that the differential equation of the solution of differential equation of x dx plus y dy plus x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square equal to 0. So we basically have to find the differential equations satisfying these equations, right? So see, in these types of equations, we will try to apply inspection method, right? We have studied inspection method while studying the theory portion. So we will try to apply the inspection method to solve this differential equation. Okay. So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next. Let's move to the solution part. Since we have equation x dx plus y dy plus x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square equal to 0. So see, x dx plus y dx can be written as 2x dx plus 1 by 2 into 2x dx plus 2y dy. And 2x dx plus 2y dy is basically d of x square plus y square, right? Therefore, it is 1 by 2 d of x square plus y square. And x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square can be written as d of tan inverse y by x, right? D of tan inverse y by x. When we will differentiate tan inverse y by x, we will get this we will get this x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square. Therefore, 1 by 2 d of x square plus y square plus d of tan inverse y by x is equal to 0. Now, on integrating both sides, we will get 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus tan inverse y by x is equal to c. Therefore, after solving, we will get c minus x square minus y square upon 2 is equal to tan inverse y by x, right? Therefore, y is equal to x tan inverse. Therefore, y is equal to x tan inverse c minus x square minus y square upon 2. Right? Y is equal to x tan inverse c minus y is equal to x tan c minus x square minus y square upon 2 is the right answer. Therefore, option C is the right choice. Got it? Option C is the right choice. Okay. So in this way, we have discussed a lot of questions based on the differential equations. Right? Hope you understood the concepts, how to apply the concepts in the question. Right? And hope you liked the lecture. Okay. Thank you so much.